So we've got two 4mm Allen wrenches, and this is a threaded on, I believe it's 3/8 a 1/4 inch threaded adapter right here. The little tripod itself does come with this plush little bag here. So let's have a look at the tripod, shall we? I apologize for the water tank going on in the background, it just turned off. Oh wow, this is smaller than I thought. There's a little carry bag. This thing is much tinier than I was expecting. There it is. Very nice and tiny, folks. I mean, look at this thing. Ain't that cute? So this is the Feisol TT-15 Mark II. Very solid. Feels like it's very well built. It is indeed made in Taiwan. It does have, I believe, 3 adjustable positions. So let's try going through them. Okay, so position number 1 will be right there. That's position 1. Position number 2 would be right there. Hard to tell on this ladder of mine here, but... And the last final position, it looks like it'd be something kind of sort of like this. Basically flat onto the ground, and this little adapter that it came with should just screw right on. I believe I have it upside down, but it threads right on there. Boom, you got yourself a 1/4 inch threaded head. If your plate only has this size, then you don't need the adapter, but it is nice how they did include it with this little tripod here. So it does not fold like this is what you're gonna get. And that's the most compact you're gonna get this thing. That is the Feisol TT-15 Mark II. It is quite light and it is much smaller than I was expecting. So 2 thumbs up from me. I want to mount the XT4 directly on top of this. I'll have that in just a minute in the video. So it looks like it's on there. And that's what it will look like if it is mounted on a Fujifilm X-T4 with a small rig camera cage. So let's just go to the tallest setting here. It should be right there. It's very solid. I mean, it literally weighs next to nothing. It really weighs very, very little.